Imagine waking up every day with dreams as big as anyone else. But every time you step out into the world, you're reminded that it wasn't built for you. No ramp at the school entrance, no sign language interpreter in class, no empathy in people's eyes. This is the reality for many persons with disabilities, not just in faraway place, but here in our own communities. Today, I want to talk about breaking barriers, not just physical, but social and attitudinal for persons with disabilities or PWDs. Inclusion is not charity. It's a special treatment. It's a basic human right. People with disabilities are not asking for more. They are asking for equal access to education, to jobs, and to life. According to the Philippine Statistics Authority, there are about 1.4 million Filipinos living with some form of disability. Yet, many of them face extreme challenges in accessing public service, transportation, school, and workplaces. In education alone, children with disabilities are often excluded from mainstream school because of inaccessible classroom or untrained teachers. In the workplace, most job opportunities remains unavailable due to outdated stereotypes and lack of accommodation. One report by the Department of Social Welfare and Development showed that even if laws exist to protect the rights of PWDs, implementation remains weak and awareness is still low. But not all stories are of barriers. Some are breakthroughs. Bless Andriano lost her eyesight in her teenage years due to lupus. What felt like the end of her dreams turned into a turning point when she found Project Inclusion Network or PIN. Today, she works as project assistant and is living proof that support and inclusion can transform lives. Another inspiring story is that of Nerwil Pacao, who lost his leg in a motorcycle accident. But with the help of PIN, he was able to rebuild his life and is now a general manager at SitHub Dormitory. His strength wasn't just physical. It was mental resilience and a community that believed in his ability to lead. So, how do we break these barriers? The answer is not complicated, but it does require action. We need school and buildings with universal design, ramps, elevators, signage in Braille. We need policies that are fully implemented, not just written. We need to train teachers and employers to be inclusive and to stop seeing disabilities as something to be ashamed of. Organizations like Project Inclusion Network or PIN are showing us what's possible. Through training, inclusive hiring, and advocacy, they help over 3,000 PWDs gain better access to jobs, and their campaigns have reached over 2 million people in the Philippines. When we remove barriers for people with disabilities, we create a society that's better for all. A world where everyone, regardless of ability, can dream, grow, and thrive. You may not be a policy maker, but you can speak up when you see discrimination. You can be the student who helped a classmate feel seen, or the future engineer who design accessible spaces. Because in the fight for inclusion, we are all responsible. Let's break the barriers together. Thank you.